晨5點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。8號東北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺上晝5點，颱風小犬集結喺香港天文台西南約100公里，即係北緯21.7度、東經113.4度附近，預料向西或西南偏西移動，時速約10公里，橫過廣東西部沿岸。小犬嘅強雨帶正持續影響珠江口一帶，自午夜起，本港大部分地區錄得超過100毫米雨量，而港島東、九龍東以及係將軍澳嘅雨量更加超過200毫米。天氣雷達顯示，小犬嘅雨帶延伸至到其中心以東約200公里，預料會喺今朝繼續影響珠江口一帶，並為該區帶來狂風，風力可能間中達到烈風程度。8號烈風或暴風信號會至少維持至到今朝嘅11點。喺過去1小時，橫瀾島、大老山以及係長洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時78、69以及係48公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時94、93以及係56公里。8號烈風或暴風信號防風措施報告：切勿喺屋內當風嘅窗戶附近站立，預早選定屋內一個安全地方，以防玻璃萬一破裂時可以躲避。海面有非常大浪及湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊及低洼地區，並停止所有水上活動。有關最新嘅天氣消息，請留意電台、電視台以及係瀏覽香港天文台網頁以及係流動應用程式，或者收聽我哋香港電台喺15分、30分、45分以及係踏正嘅報導。
5 o'clock in the early morning, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the northeast quarter. At 5 a.m., Typhoon Koinu was centered about 100 km southwest of Hong Kong Observatory, which is near 21.7 degrees north, 113.4 degrees east, and is forecast to move west or west-southwest at about 10 km per hour, crossing the western coast of Guangdong. The intense rain bands associated with Koinu continued to affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Locally, more than 100 millimeters of rainfall were recorded over most parts of the territory since midnight, and rainfall even exceeded 200 millimeters over the eastern part of Hong Kong Island, Kowloon East and Tsuen Kwan O. The radar indicates that the rain bands of Koinu extend 200 kilometers to the east of its center. The rain bands will persistently affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary this morning and bring squalls to the region. Winds may occasionally be up to gale force. The gale or storm signal number 8 will remain in force at least until 11 today morning. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Waglan Island, Tate's Cairn, and Choon Shou were 78, 69, and 48 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 94, 93, and 56 km per hour respectively. Precautionary announcements for the gale or storm signal number 8. Do not stand near windows on the exposed side of your home. Make sure you have a safe place to shelter should windows be broken. Seas are very rough and there are swells. You are advised to stay away from the shoreline as well as low-lying areas and not to engage in water sports. Please listen to radio or watch television for the latest weather information broadcast. You can also browse the Hong Kong Observatory's website and mobile app or listen to us on the radio television Hong Kong Radio in every hours at 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the further update on weather information bulletins. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。